dolls, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a fun try on haul for you guys. Everything is Valentine's Day themed. I feel like I really love the hearts and the reds and the pinks, so I thought I would show you guys some of the items I just got from Hot Miami Styles. These are items you can wear on date nights, Valentine's Day, for yourself. Honestly, a lot of this stuff is just really for myself. And if you are going on a romantic getaway, I do have some fun bikinis and other looks as well. So if you guys are new to my channel, my name is Arika. I do beauty, fashion, and fitness videos here on YouTube, so don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Click on the subscribe button below, and also make sure to click on the little bell so you receive a notification every time I upload a video. And also, Valentine's Day does not mean you need validation from another person to ask you out to feel pretty or hot or confident or strong, because it is about you and loving yourself. It doesn't matter. Like, Valentine's Day to me just means like pink and red and hearts. Like, I will buy myself everything. So I just want to let you guys know Valentine's Day is not about another person asking you. It does not matter. If you want to ask someone else, that's totally fine too. Please remember that you are enough, you are beautiful, you are strong, you are confident, and you are amazing all by yourself. So do not worry about somebody else and their thoughts about you, because it does not matter. All that matters is you are kind and your thoughts about yourself are positive and amazing. But without further ado, let's get started on this fun Valentine's Day try on haul or date night haul. So this is the top part. It is a cropped like bralette bandeau, and I love it just to wear as a top. And I also have a matching skirt. I actually was inspired when I went on the Hot Miami Styles site. I saw this and I was like, oh, I need to do a Valentine's Day haul because this is too cute. Like, if you're going out with your girls too, you can totally wear this. That's what I'm gonna do, and I'll definitely post a photo on the gram. So make sure you're following me on Instagram. But this red outfit is everything, like everything. Okay, so I changed my mind about filming it in the mirror. Instead of filming it in the mirror, I decided to film it like this. This is how I used to film the try on hauls. If you guys like it, let me know. First, dress. It is so cute. So the top is a little bandeau red sparkly top. The skirt is like this little tie skirt. It's already tied. And the slit goes up really high, so make sure you are wearing underwear. You can totally wear it to the club, a wedding, a party, your birthday. It is very glam and sparkly, as you can see. I'm obsessed with this. I love it. It is a two-piece set and so glam. The next item is super duper sexy. It is this orange cutout dress, and I saw it on the site and I was like, you know what? If I go to like Cabo or like Hawaii or even Miami, I feel like this would be very hot. So I wanted to try it out. I don't have a lot of cutout dresses. You guys, this dress is everything. It is so cute, and it's actually really comfortable. Like, I really love how it feels, and I actually don't feel uncomfortable in it. It actually covers all the right places, makes you look snatched, makes my waist look good. And it has a little bit of a sleeve, you know? So it kind of like evens it out. Like, if it was just without the sleeve, I feel like it might be a little too sexy. But with the sleeve, it kind of makes it less like too sexy. And it's very unique. I don't have a dress like this at all. I also picked up this really cute iridescent baby blue bikini. I thought this was so hot. It has clear straps, and like, this is so cute. Like, I don't know if I'm gonna get in trouble from YouTube for posting this, because the back is a little scandalous, so I cannot show you guys this because it's a thong back, but it is the cutest bikini ever. It's a baby blue iridescent, super cute bikini with clear straps. I'll show you guys like the side, but it's kind of like, yeah, it is a thong situation. It is so cute though. Like, if you're going on a honeymoon or something like that, I feel like this is it. Like, this is so cute. The next item I'm gonna show you guys, there are like fuzzy, really cute shorts and an off the shoulder fuzzy sweater top. I thought this was so cute. These two go together as a set. And you know, whenever you go on a staycation or a vacation, or if you go on a trip, you kind of want new pajamas, you know? And especially if you're going on a date, like a sleepover date, then you can wear cute pajamas there. So I thought I would get these. Okay, so this is the pajama set. How cute is this pajama set? It is so cuddly and warm. I mean, who needs a cuddle buddy when you have really soft pajamas like this? It is so cute and so soft, so cute. I love like pajamas or like home clothes, like things to wear like inside the house. I love it. And the fact that it has pockets, it's amazing. You can put little snacks here or your phone. The next item is a fun and wild set. All of these sparkly things look so good. It is a fringe top and shorts bottom. Oops, I'm holding it upside down. But I actually got a fringe top and shorts bottom in purple from Hot Miami Styles. It's in my last few hauls, actually like a few hauls back. It was so cute. I wore it to a purple beauty event and I wanted to get a sparkly one because this one is fun. The other one was not. I'll insert a picture here of what it looks like. It's super cute as well, but I wanted a sparkly one and I really, really love this. So festive and very, very glam. Look how fun this dress is. Oh my gosh, I love it. I love the fun fringe and the sequins on the fringe. It is so cute. Definitely want to go dancing in this. It makes me literally want to move or go salsa dancing or something like that. I love this set. It's not a skirt, so when you're going like this, you'll be all covered and, you know, secure. So love this set. It is so, so cute and so fun and so festive. If you haven't been on the Hot Miami Styles site, I highly suggest you check it out because they have a lot of glam sets and two-piece looks. So definitely check it out because the ones I show you are the ones that I order and I really love, but there are more, so definitely check their site out. And the next item I want to show you guys, ooh, I thought this was so, so cute. It's an emerald green rhinestone mini dress. And this is like so something that you can wear in LA because a lot of people actually wear mini dresses in LA. I really love this teal dress. It is very bodycon, very flattering. I love the square neckline. I feel like it's just very flattering, makes the girls look really good, and I love the bodycon fit. Love the little stones. It is so cute. I'll show you guys the back. The back is really cute as well. You know, sometimes when you find something that is on a site and it's not that expensive and then you get it and you're like, oh my gosh, this was like actually worth more than what I paid for. That's how I feel about this dress, and that's how I feel about a lot of things on Hot Miami Styles. It is seriously so bomb. This I thought was so, so cute. Pink is my signature color. I love it so much. I love that it's a stretch satin material, and I always love this kind of like slip dress sort of look. I feel like it hugs the body really, really nice, and it looks kind of like effortless even though it is like extra, you know? So I love, love, love this type of material, and I also love the crisscross back. So this pink satin stretch dress is everything. It is so cute. I actually thought it was gonna fit loose when I saw it because it was like the satin material, and I thought it was gonna actually fit like a slip. But it actually is bodycon and very, very fitting. And even the top part, because usually this part, when it's like satin, usually like slinks down, but this one does not. It's very, very fitted. The back is this tie situation, and you can adjust it to if you want it tighter or looser. I just had it at the standard, like what it came with. It's actually kind of tight. I had to pick up a pink dress because duh, it's a Valentine's Day. I also picked up another orange dress. This one is a super cute open back dress, mini and rouged. Love a rouged dress so, so much. I love the way that this looks as well. I love that it's like simple but fun and wild at the same time. Also, the back is a really cute open deep V back, and I love that because I feel like it just really adds that extra sexiness to the dress. Really love how this looks. And lastly, I got this chain dress. I feel like this is very delicate, so I have to like really be careful, but it is a chain faux snake print dress. Okay, so this faux snake skin chain dress, it's literally made out of metal and literally made out of chain, and it is so sexy and wild. It's a little bit on the longer side. It's like kind of a midi length. And the back is very open with the chain back. So you can see the whole back, which I love because it's like a wild look. And the front, I really love this part, that it's like slinky and just like a little bit loose and sexy. I love like that it just drapes like that. I think it is a gorgeous dress. It does have like a little glue lining sort of thing that is lined, so that makes it less likely to break. So this is the chain dress. I love it. It is fun and wild and very sexy. If you guys like this try on haul, let me know in the comments below. I loved everything. I can't wait to wear everything. Hot Miami Styles is an amazing site with lots of affordable, trendy, super hot, sexy items, so definitely check them out. I linked everything below. If you guys like this video, make sure to thumbs up the video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, because it really helps me a lot. I love you guys so much. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I'll talk to you guys soon, and happy Valentine's Day. Bye guys.